Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 47 Mint Street, East Victoria Park. If you've been looking for a character home that doesn't break the budget and you're a lover of the Art Deco era, then this solid brick and tile home is the one for you. With 2 car bays off street, plus 2 bathrooms and 2 studies, this home will suit the hard-working executive. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed the tour. 47 Mint Street, East Victoria Park. As you can see, the home oozes character and probably got plenty of stories to tell around the dinner table. To find more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.